I'm Dana with the Blonde Scribe, and today I'm going to be walking you through a quick guide on how to hand letter your holiday gift tags for this upcoming season. Because I have two different boxes from Framebridge that I need to put some tags on. So I have this large box and I'm going to be using a larger gift tag for, and then I have this smaller ornament box that we're just going to do a simple to and from. A couple things I want you to keep in mind when we're doing calligraphy is that one, we don't want to write in cursive. In cursive, if you think back to when it was taught in school, is when we were taught to write, we were taught to never lift our pen. The problem with that in calligraphy is we want to let our letters breathe, because when we go back in and make this look like calligraphy, we're not going to have enough space to do that. So in calligraphy, we're going to break it down and lift our pen after every stroke. So when I am ready to go back, I can add volume to my downstroke. So any stroke that you wrote in a downward motion, you're going to want to fill in. So on the U, I'm going to make both sides a little better. And it doesn't have to be on the left or the right only throughout. You can kind of judge how you want your letters to look. Maybe this R needs to be a little thicker on both sides. And the S, we do the downstroke on the curved part. This I is kind of closer to the S, so I'll probably put my downstroke thicker on the other side. Maybe the V goes like that. As I'm filling this in, it's going to start to look like calligraphy, even though I'm using a regular gel pen. So for the first gift card, I'm going to write Happy Holidays. I'm using a laser guide as my straight line. So I have my H. Happy. So it's spaced enough that I can go back in on all of these downstrokes and make my downstrokes thicker. You're just going to come back in with your pen and fill in that thick downstroke. And a good rule of thumb is to always go a little bit smaller than what you think you want, because you can also go back in and make all the lines thicker, but you can't go back and make the lines thinner once you've done them. So we have happy done. So we're going to move this down and then we're going to write holidays. And there's your holiday card. Since this really cute ornament box is blue and white, I am going to use a blue marker, or gel pen, sorry, and I'm going to write just a simple to and from on this card. And there's your to and from gift tag. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today to learn how to hand letter and calligraphy your gift tags for this holiday season. If you have any questions or want to see more examples of calligraphy, head on over to the Blonde Scribe. And from my family to yours, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.